Welcome to the Dotstore. Customers can take advantage of this attractive discount for first-order purchases, which helps increase conversion ratio. So let's quickly jump into it. Once activate the plugin, you will redirect on this admin screen to create multiple discounts. First, click here to add first-order discount title. So here in the discount rule title, add your discount title. For example, discount name is first-order discount. Then, you need to select the discount type, for example percentage discount. Then add the discount amount here in this text box, for example 2%. Then after click on the advanced settings section, and in that you are able to see the option to enable this discount for the first user that you want to check. Then uncheck this advanced settings section and go to the bottom at discount rules for checkout section. In that, first select any rules like country is equal to the United States. Then if you want to enable first-order discount only for specific criteria, then select other rules. For example, cart subtotal greater than 199. Then after click on the submit button to save this settings, and this way first-order discount is created successfully. In the shop page, first let's open any one product to purchase, for example belt. Now, let me add this product in bulk quantity to grab the first-order discount. Click Add to Cart. Now click on the View Cart link here to check discount. In Cart page, here you can see that the first order discount is applied with $20 amount. Let's now proceed to checkout. Then after, on this checkout page scroll down and you need to click on Place an Order button at here. So now, the order has been successfully placed, and also you can see that the first order discount applied successfully at here. So now, let's add same product to the cart and place in another order to check first order discount. Before that, go to in the admin side in WooCommerce Order tab. Here you can see that currently placed order is in on hold state, so first edit this order and select the option completed from the status field. Now click on Update button to complete this order. Now, go to again front side and you can place second order to check if it applies the first order discount or not. Let's add the same belt product to the cart, and then after click on Add to Cart button. Now click on the View Cart button to check the cart discount details there. You can see it here that no discount coupon code applied because as this is the second order with the same user. So, let's proceed to checkout. And scroll at bottom and place an order. You can observe on this second order screen page that there is no first order discount is applied. For premium plugin and unparalleled support, visit the dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Thank you for watching and happy selling.